Not yet. Hey YouTube, welcome back here today. We're playing around with the 550. So we got the 550 is a stock engine with a pipe. This one down here with the full wrap handle, this has been ported. Just a ported 550. They're gonna go down, up, down. We're gonna do some quick tests. Okay, you ready? Set, go! Stock versus ported, boys! Okay, how'd it feel?
It feels good. Changed pretty aggressive when I pulled up on it too hard and tried to kill the motor, but other than that, it was fine.
It looks impressive. Okay, how about the ported one?
Runs good.
It does run good.
Runs good. That one's just got a lot more.
Okay, guys, if you like this stuff, give us a thumbs up. Probably some of the best 50cc saws out there we're going to play with today. Good chains, and anyway, there you have it.